Today I show you how to use your phone as a mirror. You can actually use the phone camera to check if you have something between your teeth or if there is something on your face or something like to check your appearance, the same as you would check with a mirror. You can do this with any camera app that can use the front camera. So you want to use the front camera here. This trick might seem simple, but it's actually really useful to know this. I've seen people use their phone as a mirror all the time, and I think it's really important to know about this. This is especially useful to check if you have something between your teeth to make sure that you look good when going into a meeting or in any other place, to check if your hair is okay or if you have something on your face. So use the camera app. I started the camera app. This is the camera app on the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, but this is going to be, maybe it's a bit complicated here. Any camera app will work. The most important thing is that you have to be able to switch to the front camera. So you have to find some kind of a sign or a button that shows you the switch from the back. So now it's the back camera, and here is the button for this app to switch to the front camera. And now we are switching to the front camera. Now if I wanted to check something to make sure there is nothing between my teeth, I could bring the phone really close, or for example, like you see here, you can bring it really close and see your appearance. I don't know, there seems to be something on my head. I'm not sure where this thing came from, and this also thing in front of me here. Oh wait, is what you're seeing this through and hearing it through. Exactly. So I will check my teeth now, but I don't want to make it a bit worse than it is. I could check my teeth now, but probably there is something between my teeth. So, you will bring the phone close and you can see it just like a mirror. That's how it works. So when you're done, you can turn off the camera app, and that's all. I hope this helps you. You can use this to check a lot of things on your face, your hair, your teeth. Most important is to check between the teeth if you have anything between the teeth, some food stuck between the teeth. Thanks for watching.